Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to type the peso sign in Microsoft Word. So here we are in Word, and there's a little code that we're going to put in. It's 20B1. And this is the code for the symbol of the peso sign. To sort of translate this from the code to the actual symbol, you press and hold Alt on your keyboard and then push X. And it automatically translates it into the peso sign. Now on older computers this may take a little while. The other thing you have to watch out for is sometimes people will tell you to push the Alt and the X button at the same time. If you do that, it's possible to push X before the Alt key gets all the way down, and if you do that, it's not going to work. It's just going to type an X. So make sure that you hold the Alt button and then push X. I hope you've enjoyed this short video, and if you've got any other questions, please contact me at josiah@jraystudios.com. I'm Josiah Ray.